Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's class, we will do this problem from mensuration 2D. So in the given figure, this OMN is an octant of a circle having center O. So this OMN you see, this is an octant, that is 1/8 part of a circle. ABCD is a rectangle with AD equal to 6. This AD is equal to 6 and AB equal to 2. And you have to find the area of the octant of the circle. So you have to find the 1/8 part of the area of this 1/8 part. So what you have to do? The first thing you have to do is to find the radius of the octant. Radius of the octant or radius of the circle. Let's find it. Now you see in this figure. So this is 6. This is an octant. So what is this angle? If this is an octant, what is this angle? This angle is 45 degree. How? This angle theta is 1/8 into 360 degree. Because a full circle is 360 degree, a full circle has angle 360 degree. Since this is the 1/8 part, so this is 1/8 into 360 degree. That is 45 degree. So this angle is 45 degree. Now ABCD is a rectangle. Therefore what is this angle? This is a right angle, that is 90 degree. Now what is this angle? This angle is also then 45 degree, because sum of all angles should be 180 degree. So these two angles are 45 degree. This means this is a right angle isosceles triangle. So this is since isosceles triangle, therefore this side and this side is equal. Triangle OAD is right angled isosceles. Therefore here OA equal to AD equal to 6 centimeter. These both are 6 centimeter. So I write here in place of OA, this is 6 centimeter. Now what is AB? In this problem it is given that AB equal to 2 centimeter. So this is 2 centimeter. Now what is your OB? Your OB becomes 8 centimeter. 6 plus 2. This is our OB. Now what is BC? BC is given 6 because this is a rectangle. BC is 6 centimeter. Now let me draw a line. Let me draw this line. This is the radius of the octant, this OC. You see that OC is radius of the octant. OC is radius of the octant because it is drawn from the center to the circumference. Now you see that we get a triangle, that is OBC. This OBC triangle. This OBC triangle is a right angle triangle. Why? Because this is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. Therefore this angle B is a 90 degree. Angle B is 90 degree. Therefore this OBC triangle is a right angle triangle. So let me draw this OBC separately. This is our O, this is B and this is C. This is our OBC triangle. So in this triangle OB is 8. We got OB 8 centimeter. What is BC? This is 6 centimeter. Why? Because this was a rectangle and AD is given 6 centimeter. Now you have to find OC, that is R. So we will apply the Pythagoras theorem. So what is this? This is R square equal to 6 square plus 8 square. So what is R square? R square equal to, this is 36 plus 64, that is equal to 100. Therefore R equal to 10 centimeter. So we get the radius is 10 centimeter. Now you have to find the area of the octant. You know that area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Now octant is 1/8 part. So area of a octant will be 1/8 into pi r square. So here we get 1/8 into pi in r is 10, so 10 into 10. So here you get 1 by 8 pi 100. So you divide it by 4, so we get 25 pi by 2, that is equal to 12.5 pi centimeter square. This is the area of the octane. This is the answer. Thanks for watching.